Welcome back, guys. We're going to be doing a stuffed animal fight. So first is Stitch versus T-Rex. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Dude, I got to knock that thing down.
If you don't got him, you know what?
I got a first one.
Yeah!
Oh! Oh! Wait a minute. Stitch is still hanging on. Let's go. Woo! What are we doing? Oh!
Oh no, they're piles on top of each other.
Let's do this. Ah! Oh!
Oh!
He's so much! And he's dead! Oh, okay!
He's still
Stitch
going
is
on.
tickling
He's
in.
still going on.
Alright, Stitch will face the finals of the Ultimate Sea Snake. Okay, let's do this. So, Christian,
Yeah.
you're Stitch now.
Okay, now I am Stitch. I am Dark.
Alright, he is the Dark Sea Snake. That's Stitch. Alright, let's do this.
3, 2, 1. I just farted.
Woohoo!
No off the bed arena. No off the arena.
Woohoo! Yeah, this is a nice one, Sea Snake. Now you better get Stitch before he gets you. Oh no, Stitch is hit. This is not good at all. Let's go over closer to him, touch this where it's more dangerous. I'm stuck. Help me! Help me! Help me! Somebody hit the panic button. And he is dead. But is the snake still alive? Yeah, he is! I'm coming back for you, buddy. Alright. No. Why are you opening your jaw? Oh! Where'd you go? Oh, there he is. Let's do this in bye-bye. Woohoo! Up! Oh, that got hit. Secrets of it. How many secrets got hit him? Ah, that's an out of the arena hut. I like a big fat butt like his. Like a big fat butt like his. I like big butts. I cannot now.
No, I don't want to die.
I don't want to die. No, die. Ha 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 ha. Alright, Christian's almost dead, but the snake is almost dead too. What are we gonna do? Hi, bud. I'm the boss of this thing. No, I am. Why'd you turn me into a car? Okay.
No, you realize?
Christian, your butt crack's sticking out, and I just got that in zoom in. And the winner is Stitch! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Stitch won, which is awesome. So, oh my God. Oh! Welcome back to
Okay, guys, now it's gonna be the ultimate round.
the ultimate round. What's the ultimate round?
Stitch win.
It's just a round that's ultimate.
Yeah. Will Stitch win against
Why is
the
it so
giant
ultimate?
Great White?
Does that mean I lose?
For the ultimate
Or
battle,
does he have to face the huge Loch Ness monster?
Stitch
Ah! Dying.
for the final, not final, but one of the most ultimate battles. It will be Stitch versus the Bat.
The bat?
3,
Is that the bat from King Kong and Skull Island?
1,
Go! Woohoo! Let's do this, baby! I don't want to do this. I'm scared. I'm a bat. Yahoo! Oh, well, wait. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Ooh! Let's see what these contestants look like inside the rank. Hey, Bat, come and get me. Hey, Bat. Oh. Hey, Stitch, come and get me.
The Sneeze Snake's back. It's on Stitch's team now.
Oh no! All right,
Yeah.
Stitch. All right, Snake, you can't see me. You can't see me. You can't. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Yo! Oh, Whoop!
Oh, Octopus came to help you. You didn't know that? I killed the bat.
I killed the bat. Hey, guess what? He killed the bat. See, the bat's dead.
It's a dead bat. Octopus are trying to kill us.
Octopus versus Sea Snake. Who's gonna win?
I got those in the same place, so cool. Ready, set, go! Oh! He goes up. What the heck? He's like a giant boulder. No, he's not. That's weird. Ah! Oh! Whoa! I'm being carried by the bat. The bat is back. The bat is back. Whoa! Whoa! Go! Oh, get up! Get up! Go! Go! We're falling. The drone is falling. The drone is falling.
What are these?
Mr. Lemur, thank goodness you're here to save the day.
Can we play with the
You're
Build-A-Bear?
welcome.
Can we play with the Build-A-Bears? Can we battle the Build-A-Bears?
Yes, you may battle the Build-A-Bears. I am now the captain. Oh, no, not.
Listen,
Oh.
you're Batman Build-A-Bear and I'm Spider-Man Build-A-Bear, okay?
Oh, that sounds cool. All right, I saved you guys. Now get out of the rank fast. Up!
No, Chris, there's no one. But these ones.
Spider-Man, he can't do anything with Spider-Man. Spider-Man, it's a Spider-Man.
Who will win? This giant shark or the little baby giraffe? Let's battle.
I thought Batman versus Spider-Man was going.
Nope, not this time. Who will win? Shark versus tiny giraffe.
Why is there a bat in the middle of the road? No, he's carrying us again. No. Oh, whoa! Oh no, this equals double bat challenge. Woo! Go! The drone's getting cursed. Hi guys, whoop! Oh, this is not turning out so well. It's not really. Oh! No. You guys being carried. This is not good. Gotcha now. Oh! Whoa! No! Our friend. Just evil. After all this, I think I need a lunch break. Down we go!
Hey, don't forget, subscribe and thumbs up to the channel.
Down.